Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story where we bring you stories that matter. As the world moves in fast pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and latest updates. Let's dive in today's lead. Assam-Bhutan ties set to strengthen after PM's Tobge's Guwahati visit. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma thanked Bhutan Prime Minister Tshering Tobge for his visit to Guwahati, expressing confidence that Assam-Bhutan ties would grow stronger under PM Modi's guidance. Tobge met Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya and CM Swarna, reaffirming both sides' commitment to deepening their enduring bilateral relationship. Cabinet Minister Atul Bora welcomed the Bhutanese Prime Minister at State Guest House, highlighting historic people-to-people connections and shared traditions and cooperation across sectors as foundation for future cultural and economic growth. Congress slams PM Modi as inflation man after growth of CNG prices hike in 12 days. Congress sharply attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi after CNG prices in Delhi were hiked by Rs 2 per kg on Tuesday, making it fourth increase under 15 days. CNG now costs Rs 83.09 per kg in the capital. Rate roses by Rs 2 on May 15 and May 26 and Rs 1 on May 18 and May 23. A cumulative hike of Rs 6. Congress labelled Modi as the information man, accusing him for looting the public for his rich friends. Petrol and diesel prices also rose for the fourth time in the 2 weeks. Jaishankar calls for stronger supply chains, maritime security at Quad Foreign Minister meet. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar urged Quad partners to deepen collaboration on supply chains, resilience, connectivity, choke points, critical infrastructure gaps, and manufacturing concentration at Quad Foreign Ministers meeting in New Delhi. Hosting Australian Foreign Minister Penny Wong, Japanese Foreign Minister Toshimitsu Motegi, and US Secretary of State Macro Review. Jaishankar emphasizes a shared responsibility as maritime democracies for a free and open Indo-Pacific. The meeting, in the third 18 months, built on Washington framework of July 2025, focusing on critical technologies, maritime security, emerging regional challenges. India-Canada free trade deal in the works. Carney calls it a game changer. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney announced that India and Canada are negotiating a comprehensive economic partnership agreement, calling it a game changer for Canadian workers and businessmen. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal on a 3-day Canada visit with India's largest ever business delegation of 112 members said both nations aims to raise bilateral trade from $17 billion to $50 billion by 2030. 2 rounds of CEPA negotiations have been completed, with Canada hosting the third. Relations strained since 2023 under Trudeau have been rapidly reset under PM Carney. Mumbai court accused Jharkhand man for cyber fraud. Mumbai court accused 23-year-old Manoj Kisku of Jharkhand in the cyber fraud case, ruling the mere crediting of the defraud money into someone's bank account without evidence of criminal conspiracy does not constitute under a criminal offence. The case involved a police officer who lost Rs 3.99 lakh after clicking a fake PAN update link. Though 99,986 rupees were tracked to Kisu's account, the court noted the prosecution failed to arrest prime suspect Rauf Ansari or prove array conspiracy between him and Kisu, granting him accused benefit of doubt. Indian market opened flat and aimed US-Iran tension. Sensex falls 144 points. Indian equity markets opened flat in negative territory on Tuesday as fresh US-Iran geopolitical tensions revived energy inflation fears. Sensex dropped 144 points to 76,334, while Nifty slipped 27 points, 24,004. Nifty oil and gas, auto and consumer durables in the files, while PSU Bank and Pharma edged higher. Brent crude climbed to $97.82 per barrel. Analysis at Kotak Securities and Access Direct noted that Nifty sustainability above 24,000 remained crucial, with upside potential towards 24,200 to 24,400 if geopolitical tension ease. Alert in Telangana. Thunderstorm expected till May 29th. Indian Meteorological Department has forecasted thunderstorms and rainfall in Hyderabad till May 29th, issuing a orange alert across the several Telangana districts. However, heatwave conditions are likely to persist till May 28th. Nalgonda recorded the state highest temperature at 45 and 46.5 degrees Celsius, while Hyderabad and Charminar area touched 42.5 degrees Celsius. Multiple districts crossed 46 degrees mark. Residents have been advised to stay alert and plan travel carefully. Aim the combinations of extreme heat and sudden thunderstorm expected over the upcoming days.